He wanna pop out, I wanna rock out, call when I'm in town. Pretty bitch, yeah. With this cake in his face, just shut him up. Pretty bitch, but that ass is on thicky. Hold it, got the dump here, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it. They all in my face, wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so high, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jaterra, Bria'Na. If you don't know, you know. And now we are best friends, sis. Nice to meet you. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the fam. Follow me on social media. All that good stuff. Right? Alright. So today we are doing this cute braided high pony. So here are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need some bundles, sis. Okay, so I got these from my local beauty supply. It's the Jane Mink Brazilian collection. I have body width, length in 18. Color 1B, and you're gonna need some random ass braiding hair, girl. You're also gonna need some shine and jam and some edge control. I am in love with edge booster right now. It smells good, it works amazing. You're also gonna need some got to be freeze spray, and you're also gonna need like some rubber bands and some bobby pins. Okay, so girl, oh yeah, you're definitely gonna need some jam, eco, gel, whatever is your preference, right? So before doing this pony, I suggest that you put your hair in a high ponytail the night before, so your hair is already, you know, like it already know what to do, right? So here I am taking my rat tail comb, and I'm just gonna section my hair out to where I want to do the braids. Okay, I saw this cute style on Pinterest. That's where I began my, you know, my inspiration from, girl, when it comes to hairstyles that I haven't had before. And I thought it was super cute, so I was like, girl, let me try it. So right now I'm parting out the section that I want my braid to be. You know, when it comes to me and them slick, nice parts, girl, you gotta put some jam on your roots and get it together. So right now I'm slicking the rest of my hair back, putting it in a ponytail, and I'm just gonna do one big comb roll to the back. You know what I'm saying? So to make it easier to grip after I detangled the hair, I'm gonna put some shine and jam all on my roots. Okay, I was pressed because my parts came out cute. But anyways, girl, that's gonna help you grip your hair, especially if you have fine ass edges like me and your hair don't want to listen to you. Yeah, it's gonna help a lot. Okay, so basically that's all I'm doing for this part. Comment down below, how have y'all been feeling about these voiceovers? Okay, I know you're probably tired of them. Don't worry, I just had to get these couple of first videos out of the way. I have a ton of content just waiting for you guys. Like, y'all don't understand, all this stuff was previously recorded, so the next video will definitely be like a regular person to person kind of conversation, right? So yeah, here I am grabbing a little bit of my hair in the front, and I'm just going to literally start braiding. It took me about 5 tries to get this right, girl, because my hair just kept slipping out. And in the end, I'm not gonna lie, my comb roll is definitely crooked, but don't judge because I wasn't doing it again. Like, if I had to do this comb roll one more time, I was gonna lose my mind, girl. So yeah, I'm tired of talking. Basically, all I'm doing for the next couple of minutes is braiding my hair back. I'm going to do one large comb roll in the middle and 2 tiny ones on the side. So basically, when I looked up this style on Pinterest, homegirl had the braids wrapped around the part of the ponytail that sits on your head, if that makes any sense. The base of the ponytail was wrapped around with braids, and it made it look really cute. Duh, Jaterra, what am I saying? So in order to do that, my braids needed a little bit of help, you know what I'm saying, in terms of the length. So this is why I'm adding an extra braiding hair, just to add to the length of the actual plait. So that's all I'm doing. That's why I didn't even go through the whole situation of like buying extra braiding hair. I just used whatever braiding hair was in my house, because you don't need a full pack unless you are really out of braiding hair completely. Then yeah, girl, go ahead and buy you 1 pack of braiding hair. But yeah, it's really easy to just add hair into the braid. All you do is grab a section and place it on top and in between the fingers that you are normally braiding with. If that makes any sense, you should probably just watch the screen to see what I'm doing. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys watch, and I'm gonna come back once the braids are all done. once you do all of that, this is what it should look like. You know, 3 little braids, you know what I'm saying? So to make these braids nice and crisp and stay in place and make sure my hair not all falling out of it, I'm going to get some mousse. Girl, I had just a little bit left for this, and I'm going to wrap it in these little black sheets. These are actually my mom's, so I don't know how much they cost, but you can definitely get them from the local beauty supply. And then I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer to make sure everything sticks together before we touch our ponytail. Okay, so y'all know when you get fresh bundles out the pack, they're all stuck together and they janky looking. Yes, so I tried to get rid of that by blow drying them, but it didn't work. So basically I wasted my time. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the wraps off your hair and pull out your braids, because we're gonna worry about those in a second. So section those off, and you're going to just mold your hair up into a regular ponytail, and then you're gonna put it in a braid. Y'all know what to do, so I'm gonna let y'all watch this part of the video and I'll come back. So yeah, y'all, quick step that I didn't show that I definitely should have done: make sure you pull out your edges before you get your ponytail all nice and sleek if you want to fleek your baby hairs like I do. So now that we have our ponytail all together, you're just going to get some bobby pins, and once you unravel the bundle, you're going to place a bobby pin on the bundle, and you're going to put that bobby pin through the rubber band that you put on the end of your hair, and you're just going to simply wrap the hair up. It's really self-explanatory, y'all. I used 1.5 bundles basically because I didn't want my ponytail to be too thick at the top. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch this process and come back when it's time to wrap the pony around the base. How you like me now, honey? I got a pony. What are you talking about? So basically, all I did was take part of the bundles and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to give it some security. And then I'm going to do what everyone does with their ponytails. Get a thick section from the back and wrap the hair around the pony. This is basically going to give the pony some structure so it can sit cute. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to worry about this being perfect too, because you're just going to wrap it around with the braids. So now I'm taking my braids and I'm just doing the same thing, wrapping them around. Now I messed up right here, y'all. What I should have done was actually put the braids into the ponytail with my fat plaits of my natural hair, because I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna try to zoom in. Me wrapping the braids, it made the braids go to the side, and that's not cute. So what I did to like fix this off camera was I just pulled the braids to the middle and secured them with a bobby pin. But yeah, y'all, this is what it's looking like. I thought it was cute. I definitely could like have done it better, and I probably should have did it a little bit more higher up so it can like frame my face better. I think I kind of made my hair look long. But anyways, I really did like this pony, you know what I'm saying? So now to give it some pizzazz, I'm just going to wand curl the hair just to give it a little bit more body, a little more vroom vroom vroom, you know what I mean? And that's really gonna make it come together. And I sprayed the hair with a little bit of hairspray, but this hair honestly is not the best, so I wouldn't suggest doing that. It kind of really made the hair hard, so you know. So yeah, once I get that all situated, here is my favorite parts, the baby hairs. Y'all, when you fleek your baby hairs, it just makes everything come together. Y'all know I'm using edge booster. It's my favorite edge control. I don't understand why I haven't been tried this out. Like, this edge control is the bomb, and I live by it. So yeah, y'all, once I do all of that, honey, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna be my face, change my fit, and I'm gonna come back in a second. Okay, y'all, so here's the final result. Cute little pony. She's really long for 18 inches. I don't know if that's because my braid for my natural hair was long, fake long or whatever, but this is way longer than 18 inches, honey. And I didn't even use all of the 2 bundles. I have like half a bundle left, to be honest, and this is thick enough, sis. So that's really good, because them bundles was like $35 each. That's cheap. So it's lit. I need to hurry up and wrap this up though, because my camera battery is dying and I don't feel like changing it out. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below what tutorial you want me to do next, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, mamas.
Holy, got the dumpy, yeah, boy. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it.